Good morning, dear class 8. Today we are discussing a new chapter number 19, three-dimensional figures. Dear student, this chapter is last chapter for your half-yearly examination, and it is very important. Mark of training chapter is three-dimensional figures. Approximate 3 to 5 questions presented your examination to this chapter. First of all, we know about solid. What is solid? Dear students, objects having fixed shape. Fixed shape means this is fixed shape of the marker, because in this time it is has fixed shape, but in morning it is not expand because its shape is fixed. So, and size and occupying fixed space are called solid. If you have this book, you put here, then this book is space occupied there. So, if any object which have same fixed shape, size, volume, density, etc. is called solid. Now dear friend, again solids. Objects having fixed shape and size and occupying fixed space are called solids. Dear friend, there are various types of solids and having three-dimensional also. Solid is known as also three-dimensional figure, because in solid there are three-dimensional length, breadth and height. Now dear students, there are some examples. Cube, in this lockdown you play also Ludo. Ludo is the dice of Ludo is shape of cube. Cuboid, cylinder and cones are already cubes, are already solid or three-dimensional shape. We already studied in previous class 7. Now dear friend, in this time we discuss some three-dimensional figure like prism, pyramids or tetrahedrons. Now dear student, faces, vertices and edges of a three-dimensional figure. Then first, faces. What is faces? Each flat part of the solid is its face. Dear student, we take a cube. We take a cube. This is cube. Now dear student, this is the flat part. A, B, C, D and therefore many. This flat part is what? Faces. It's called faces. In cube or cuboid, there are 6 faces. So A, B, C, and this is E, F, B, C, E, F also face. B, A, G, F also face. A, G, H, D also face. H, E, F, G face. H, D, C, E face. So the flat part of the solid is called face. Now in cuboid or cube there are 6 faces. Vertices. Each corner where 3 faces of a solid meet, each its vertices. Dear student, there is a flat, that means face 1, face 2 and face 3 meet at here. So this is G is the what we say vertex of a solid. So therefore A, B, C, E, H, B, F, G are vertices. Then count how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices present in cube or cuboid. Now let's write age. Age means code. Age means code, sign. The two faces of a solid meet in a straight line or line is called angle. Two faces, that means this face and this face, meet by AG. So AG is the age. Then how many age present in cube or cuboid? Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 A's present in cube or cuboid. Now dear student, what is cuboid? A solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane flats is called cuboid. You show brick, eta, majestic, tile. These are already cuboid. This book is also cuboid because it made up by 6 rectangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now dear student, there are 6 faces in cuboid, there are 8 vertices in cuboid and there are 12 edges in cuboid. Now dear student, cube is bounded by 6 flat square figure. So it is made up by 6 square figure is called cube and 6 rectangular figure made up by is called cuboid. Both have same vertex, same edge and same side or face. Now dear student, what is prism? A solid whose two faces are parallel, plane polygon. Polygon means many sides. That type of figure which have many sides is called polygons. And the side faces are rectangle is called a prism. Now dear student, I draw prism. Here A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now dear student, A, B, C and D, E, F is two triangles present in prism. But here 3 rectangular circles A, C, E, D, B, C, E, F and A, D, F, B are 3 rectangular surfaces. So in this prism, there are 2 triangular surface or face and 3 rectangular faces. Okay dear student, take a screenshot. Now dear student, there are various type of prism. First is triangular prism. A triangular prism is made up of 2 parallel end faces. Each of one is triangle and 3 lateral faces, each of which is called rectangular. So it is called triangular pyramid prism. Triangular prism because this is the two triangular face and this is three rectangular face. Okay, dear students, in next pyramid. Dear students, now we discuss pyramid. A pyramid is a solid whose base is a plane rectilinear. Rectilinear means in a straight line. Rectilinear figure and whose side faces are triangle, have a common vertex. Is called vertex of the pyramid. Dear student, this is called pyramid. All lines are in rectilinear. It has one vertex and then the base is a square base. And this is called pyramid. If the base of pyramid is square, it is called square pyramid. And in the square pyramid, there are 5 vertices. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 vertices in square pyramid. Square pyramid. Now, dear students, how many faces? There are 5 faces because A, B, C, one face, and B, C, D, another face to face, C, A, E, and C, D, E. There are 5 faces in pyramid. And a square pyramid has 8 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 faces in pyramid. Now, dear student, rectangular pyramid. In rectangular pyramid, the base is rectangular. Base is rectangular. Then, if it is a solid whose base is rectangle and whose side faces are triangles having common vertices, is called rectangular pyramid. Dear student, triangular pyramid. If the base of pyramid is triangle, then we say it is triangular pyramid. This is triangular pyramid, and this is called tetrahedron. Tetrahedron, and it is also called triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. That means triangular pyramid also called tetrahedron. Now, dear student, there are 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 vertices and 4 triangular faces. A, B, C is the face. B, C, D is another face. And A, B, D, C is another face. So, there and A, C, D also face. There are 4 faces of pyramid and 6 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now dear student, you have question chapter 19A is write down the name of the vertices, faces of each of the following figure. Cuboid. How many faces in cuboid? 6 faces in cuboid. So you write here 6. Okay dear students, in this type you solve the questions of 19A. Now we discuss the next exercise 19B. Euler relation for three-dimensional figure. Euler relation of three-dimensional figure. Dear student, Euler's relation for three-dimensional figures. This is the Euler relation of three-dimensional figure. F is denoted as faces. E is denoted as edge. And V is denoted as vertices. Vertex. Now, dear student, take our example, verification of Euler relation for cuboid. Cuboid is made up by 6 rectangular faces. Then we draw here cuboid and explain or verify by this to the Euler relation. Dear student, this is cuboid because it is made up by 6 faces of rectangle. Now, how many faces? How many faces? There are 6 faces. Already we explained 6. Again, A, B, C, D is one face. A, D, E, F another face. And dear students, A, G and H. Then this is one face, 2 face, 3 face, 4 face, 5 face and 6 face. So how many age? Age is 12. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we write here 12. And how many vertex? What it says? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now verify Euler relation. This part is LHS and this part is RHS. Take LHS. Value of LHS is F minus E plus D. You learn this relation because in the Euler relation of three-dimensional figure, you have 2 questions must be seen in your examination paper. So you learn this formula. F minus E plus D equal to 2. Put the values of F equal to 6, minus E equal to 12 and D equal to 8. Then 6 minus 12 plus 8 minus 4 and we get 2 equal to RHS. Verify. Now dear student, you solve all the relation of the given figure. Prism. How many types of prism? Triangular prism. Having base is triangle, so triangular prism is square prism means if the base of prism is square, called square pyramid prism, and rectangular prism is what? If the base of prism is rectangular, then we say rectangular prism, and the pentagon prism is that type of prism having 5 sides called pentagon. In this pentagon, the number of faces is 7 because 2 pentagon faces and 5 rectangular faces. And number of edges is 15 and the number of vertices is 10. So verify the given relations by Euler formula or relation F minus E plus V equal to 2. Now dear students, solve exercise 19B as it is. Okay, 19B, this is the question of exercise 19B of first or second of first. As it is, you solve all the questions. Thank you for watching, and dear student, your syllabus is completed now for half yearly examination. I will discuss in next video. There are some questions for your important questions for your examination. Okay, thank you and stay tuned.